dear kids. How are you all? Are you all fine? Yes? So, are you all ready to listen to today's class? You're ready? Okay. So, did you listen to our previous class? Yes? What did we study? Our last class is about what? About animal moms and dads. Yes or no? Yes. So, did you read the book? Is it easy for you? Okay, so we studied about a few animal moms and dads, right? What are the animals we saw? We saw about kangaroo, elephants, orangutans, octopus, and penguins. Yes? Okay, so it's very amazing to learn some facts, right? Yes or no? Yes. And it's very easy, right? Yes. Okay. So as we have completed our third unit, now we'll move on to our fourth unit. Okay. So I'll send you the notes. Okay. Soon I'll send you the notes. Don't worry. Okay. So today we are going to unit number 4. That is build bridges, not walls. Okay. Shall we study? Yes. Okay. Bridges means which is making way to move from one place to other. So we have to be connected with others. We should not build any walls. So walls will be always separating one from other, right? And bridges will be connecting one with other. So we should not be disconnecting ourselves from others. We should be connecting to others. We should be very love and kind to others. Okay, that is what we are going to study. So now turn to next page number. Yes. So today we are going to study one lesson. So earlier days, so peoples who are living on the opposite sides of river, they don't have any bridges, so they cannot meet each other. Okay. So it was the situation in olden days. Okay. So we have a story dealing with it, and it is a very easy story, and it is a very um interesting story. So I want all of you to read it. Okay, only then you can improve your vocabulary skills. Okay, yes. Okay, now shall we move on to the portion? Okay, so once upon a time there are two villages, and the two villages are facing on the opposite sides of the lake. Okay, you all know lake, right? A very large water area. Yes. Okay, so there are two villages, and they are in the opposite sides of the lake. So a lake is separating them. Okay, in between the two villages there is a lake. So in the image you can see there are two villages, and in between there are waters, right? Okay, so one side of the village is a very large village, and the name of the village is Large Lakeview Village. Okay, what is it? Large Lakeview Village. And in the other side there was a small village, and the name of that village is Little Lakeview Village. Okay, so Large Lakeview Village, Little Lakeview Village. Okay, so the villagers say they go around in the lake by boats, because they want to catch fish, so that's why they are using boats. So everyone in the large Lakeview Village, they had blue boats, and in the little Lakeview Village, they had green boats. So which color boat the large Lakeview Village people has? Blue boats, and Lakeview Village has green boats. Okay. So the people in the two villages, they do not like each other very much. Okay. Actually, they don't have any contact, but they think in their mind that what they are not good, so we should not trust them, we should not believe them, like that. Okay, so there is always a saying. So Large Lake Village has a saying that don't trust anyone who have green boat. So green boat means which symbolizes Little Lakeview Village. Okay, and the Large Lakeview Village, they also always says don't trust green boat peoples, they are not good, please don't trust them. Okay, and Little Lake Village, there in that area, they too have one saying that don't trust blue boat. So blue boat means Large Lakeview Village. Okay, so and they are not nice. But what happens is the Little Lake villages, they are very poor, and They need fish to survive. They live by fishing. Okay, they want to catch fish and they want to sell it. Only then they can live, because the Little Lake village peoples are very poor. So they went fishing near large lake village, and only then only there they can get fishes. So what they'll do means, from here they will travel to large lake village, and there they'll go for fishing. Okay, yes, but the large lake village, they are very rich. Okay, and they want to swim. Okay, so where they'll go for swimming is, they'll go for Little Lake village. So from Little Lakeview village, to catch fish, they are going near Large Lakeview village. And Large Lakeview peoples, to swim, they are going for Little Lakeview village. Why they are going there? Because there only the waters are so clean, and it will be very nice to swim. That area is very nice. So they will go from here to there for swimming. Okay, and actually the two villages, they don't fight. Okay, but they don't like each other, and they don't talk to each other. There is no reason, but simply they are thinking in their minds that they are not good, so they won't talk to each other. They'll just go, they'll swim, and they'll come. Here, these peoples, they'll go there, catch fish, and they'll come. But they don't talk with others. Okay. So everyone thinks that, okay, the other side of the village will be very beautiful, and what say, they don't know, actually they have not seen that area, but they will think like that area is very beautiful. Okay, but they don't talk with each other. So one day what happened is, a leader of large lake village put a signboard. So a board. Okay, so what they have did is, the leader of the large lake village, what they say, no green boats allowed. That means, green boat means Little Lakeview village people. Okay, so in the Large Lakeview village, there the leader kept one board: no green boats allowed. So this means that the Little Lake villagers should not come there for fishing. But if they get the fish, they can survive, right? Because they are very poor, right? But here the Large Lakeview village leader said, they no green boats allowed. So if they go means, then definitely there will be a problem. So at once, hearing this, the Little Lake village, they are very upset, and now they kept one boat: no blue boats allowed. So blue boat means large lake peoples, they should not come here for swimming. There was no problem between them, just they are thinking that they are not good, and they are good keeping the board. Okay, so now the Little Lake villagers, they couldn't catch fish. They are very, very upset. Okay, they cannot do anything. One day what happened is, a 12-year-old girl, Anvita, okay, the name of the 12-year-old girl is Anvita. So in this picture you can see, right, no blue boats allowed, no green boats allowed. Yes, okay, so 12-year-old Anvita, she lived in Little Lake village, and her father is a fisherman. So they are very poor, because now they cannot go for fishing. So she's feeling very upset. Okay, so she thought, see how the Large Lakeview peoples are very rude. Okay, because they have put the signboard. So now she came up with a plan. Okay, she put an idea. She had an idea, and she's ready to do that. So one morning she found some blue paint, and now what she did is, she painted her father's green boat with blue color. Okay, so that they can go for large lake view for fishing. Okay, so Anvita rowed on the other side of the lake, and no one noticed her, and there are many blue boats. So everyone thought the blue boat, this is also a blue boat from Large Lake village. So suddenly she saw a boy fishing in a blue boat, and she called, hello, and how is the fishing today? She is asking. So we'll just ask, so when we are meeting our someone related to the same category, so if you are doing any business means, we'll ask, right, how is the business, right? Likewise she is asking, how is the fishing today? And the boy said, yeah, fishing is very good today. And the boy added one more sentence, see, now it is very good, right? Only because there is no green boat, and we are only blue boats are here. And now she got very angry, because she is from green boat area, right? And she's asking, why? What's wrong with green boats? She asked. Okay, so now boy thought about her question, and boy said, because the green boats come from Little Lake village, and they are not nice. They used to steal our fishes. That's why we are getting angry with the green boat peoples. And Anvita, she did not like what the boy said. And she said, no, that's not true. Okay, the people in Little Lake villages are very nice, she's saying, and they don't steal fish. Okay, and she said, the fish does not belong to large lake view. Okay, it belongs to lake. Okay, so anyone who was around this lake can fish, not only the large lake view peoples. Everyone who are around them, they can catch, because the lake is common, right? So she said like that, and the boy looked at her, and he looked at her boat, and suddenly he saw some blue green paint on the side. Okay, some in some area she forgot to paint it in green, sorry, blue, and there was a green paint on one side, and the boy found out that this girl is from green boat area, but she had just painted it and she came here. Okay, and she said, this is not good, and the boy asked, why not? So she said, your village is very big. Okay, our village is very small, and without fish we cannot survive. Okay, that's why we are asking. Okay, but we are very nice people, we don't steal your fishes. Okay, and we don't cause any harm to you. Okay, yes, and I wanted the large lake villas you also to behave in the same way. Don't discriminate us, don't think wrong about us, we are not that bad. Okay, she said like that. And only the boats are of different colors, but we are very common, and we are very kind, we are very loving to each other, she said. And the boy was very pleased, and he said, okay, you are very brave, and no problem, you just what say, yes, she said, no problem, tomorrow you can meet me here in the same plate, but you have to come in place, and but you have to come in green boat. Okay, so next she went home, and she found some green paint and painted her father's boat again in green color. Okay, so the next morning she came, and the boy was waiting there with one man, and he is the leader of the village. Okay, so she said, so they met, and the boy said, this is my father, and he is the leader of the village, and he'll change the boat, sorry, she'll change the signboard. Okay, and next day they took the signboard, and now the villagers are very friendly, and now what they said is, blue boats and green boats both are nice. Okay, now they both villages get connected, and they are very happily living together. So for every 6 months they will be conducting festival just to celebrate their friendship. Okay, so they'll conduct a festival, and they'll be very happy. So the village people, they are very thankful to the little boy and the girl, because they are the girl is the one who voiced out, she raised the voice, and she said what is the reason why, right? And only because of that reason there is a bridge between them, and they have learned that talking to each other, right? They have, sorry, what they learned is, they can only talk while we are talking with each other, and when we are sharing our true feelings, only then our relationship will be very strong. Okay, so if there is any problem, what we should do, we should just talk openly, only then we can wind up the problem, and we can be very happy, right? So they are very thankful, because the girl and the boy, they are the one who raised their voice and built the bridge between the two villages. Okay, is it very nice? Okay, I think you have understood, right? Is that not? Yes, it's a very easy, right? So what you have to do is, you have to read the book. Okay, okay, so that's it for today's portion. Thank you, students, thank you, have a nice day.